All right, the last exercise that we're going to do with the elastic band is ankle plantar flexion. The band, again, is wrapped around the foot here, and while maintaining tension in the band, she's just going to push that foot down as far as you can towards the floor. Now, if you notice that the band starts to slip a little bit, pull your foot up again. We can just loop the band over like so. See, it starts to get pretty tight, like that. And now she's going to restart, pull the ankle up, good. And then she's going to start pushing back down, really working the muscles in the back of the calf. And she can hold that, really working those muscles, and then going back up. And then you're going to do it just like that.